Hey, turtle. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Hey, what you doing? You want a shrimp? You probably don't eat the shrimps. See ya, dude. Don't get caught up in my line now. Getting some bites. Sticking his butt up in the air. You alright there, bud? Butt's a little buoyant. Keeps sticking his butt out. What's he doing, y'all? Just his butt's poking out. Is he okay? Ooh, got a fish. Goofing around with turtle time. Sticking his butt up in the air while I'm catching fish. What is he doing? Little mango? This guy's probably too small to keep.